Hello everyone, welcome to Andy Bless channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate Windows 10. Please click on the Windows icon and then Settings and Update and Security. Click on Activation, and as you can see, Windows is activated. So let's get in and deactivate it. Please click on the Windows button here. Type CMD in the search bar. Right click and run as administrator. Then type SLMGR space /UPK. Press enter. Here, the actual name of SLMGR is Software License Management Tool, okay, and UPK, uninstall product key, right? I hope it's clear. That is the meaning of it. Okay, so let's continue. After that, type SLMGR space /CPKY, which means uninstall the product key, right? Press enter. Type shutdown space -R space -T space 0. Press enter. Hello guys, now you are free to go. Your Windows is now deactivated. So please go to the Windows icon, click on the power button and restart the computer and come back. Please click on the Windows icon and then Settings, Updates and Security. Click on Activation. As you can see, the Windows is now deactivated. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like it, share, and I hope to see you next Saturday. Bye bye.